Learn English through a story. The life of Gautama Buddha. Today we learn English through a beautiful and powerful story. This is the story of a prince who became a great teacher. His name was Siddhartha Gautama. Later, people called him the Buddha. The word Buddha means the awakened one or the enlightened one. Let us begin. The birth of a prince. More than 2500 years ago, a baby boy was born in a place called Lumni. He was born into a royal family. His father was a king, his mother was a queen. His father's name was King Suddhodana. At his birth, a wise man made a prediction. He said, "This child will become either a great king or a great spiritual teacher." The king wanted his son to become a powerful ruler, so he protected him. The young prince lived in luxury. He had beautiful clothes, delicious food, music and dance, big garden, servant around him. He had everything, but he didn't know about suffering. New words. Luxury, a life of comfort. Prediction, saying something about the future. A spiritual, related to soul. Suffering, pain or sadness. The foresight. One day, Siddhartha left the palace. Outside the palaces, he saw something shocking. First, he saw an old man. The old man had white hair. His body was weak. He walked slowly. Siddhartha asked, "Why this man like this?" Someone answered, "He is old. Everyone becomes old." Siddhartha was surprised. Another day, he saw a sick man. The man was in pain. He could not stand properly. "Why is he suffering?" Siddhartha asked. "He is sick. Anyone can become sick." Then he saw a dead body. People were crying. "Will everyone die?" Siddhartha asked. "Yes," came the answer. "Death comes to all." Finally, he saw a beautiful monk. The monk looked calm. He looked happy. Siddhartha felt inspired. He thought, maybe there is a way to end suffering. Leaving the palaces at the age of 29, Siddhartha made a big decision. He left his palace at night. He left his wife, his baby son, his royal life. This was not easy, but he wanted truth. He wanted answer. He wanted to understand why people suffer. New words. Decision. It means choice. Truth. What is real. Inspire. Fill with motivation. Monk. A person who live a simple and spiritual life. The search for truth. Siddhartha went to the forest. He met holy men. He learned meditation. He practiced extreme fasting. He ate almost nothing. His body became very weak. His bones were visible. He was tired and thin. One day, he fell down. He almost died. A kind woman named Sujata gave him milk and rice. Slowly, he became stronger. At that moment, he understood something important. Too much pleasure is not good. Too much pain is not good. Balance is important. This idea became the middle path. The Bodhi tree. Siddhartha then went to a palace called Bodh Gaya. He sat under a tree. He said, I will not move until I find the truth. He meditated deeply. Day, days passed, nights passed. He faced fear. He faced doubt. In a story, a figure called Mara tried to disturb him, but Siddhartha stayed calm. Finally, he understood the truth about life. He became enlightened. He became the Buddha. New words: meditate, sit quietly and focus the mind. Balance, not too much, not too little. Enlightened, having deep understanding. Calm, peaceful inside. The Four Noble Truths. Buddha began teaching. His first teaching include Four Noble Truths. Life includes suffering. Suffering has a cause. Suffering can end. There is a path to end suffering. The cause of suffering is desire. When we want too much, we feel pain. When we attach too much, we feel fear. The solution is the eightfold path. This path teaches right thinking, right speech, right action, right effort, right mindfulness. The Buddha taught kindness. He taught compassion. He taught mindfulness. Many people followed him. They formed a group called Sangha. The final journey. When Buddha became old, he traveled to a town called Kushinagar. He knew his life was ending. He was calm. He was peaceful. He told his followers, be a light unto yourself. This means do not depend only on others. Find truth within yourself. Soon after, he passed away peacefully. This is called parinirvana. It means freedom from rebirth. Three life lessons. Life in the present moment. It means live in the present moment. Do not hold too tightly to things. Be kind and compassionate. A speaking practice section. Repeat after me. I can stay calm. I can stay calm. I can live with balance. I can live with balance. I can let go of fear. I can let go of fear. I choose kindness. I choose kindness. I choose awareness. I choose awareness. Vocabulary revision. Old, not young. Sick, not healthy. Death, end of life. Peaceful, calm. Desire, a strong want. Compassion, deep kindness. Mindfulness, awareness of the present. Message. The story of Buddha is not only history, it is the guide for life. You do not need to be a prince. You do not need to leave your home. You only need to understand yourself. When you understand your mind, you understand life, and that is the real enlightenment. Thank you. If you want to continue the session, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you from my bottom of hearts.